Good morning, students. Yes, good morning to all of you who are viewing in the morning, and good afternoon to all who are viewing in the afternoon time. And good evening too to those students who are viewing in the evening. Now, me, Ranajay sir, coming back to explain about the selecting and editing text in MS Word 2010 for class 4 students, and the chapter is 6. So you please take out your books and just turn to chapter 6. Now as you open up chapter 6, you will find that selecting and editing text in MS Word can be done using the mouse, which I have already told beforehand, and you will be using what is called the keyboard, another input device. So you can very well understand if there is any problem in your mouse, so you can do without the mouse. You can select without the mouse. You will find that some of the key actions are also very fast. Even if you don't use the mouse is there, you can use the keyboard actions to do it fast. For example, you can find out the entire document, you can do Ctrl A. So using Ctrl plus A, the whole document is selected. Now I come to the easy ones now. Beginning of the current line. So wherever is a cursor, if you want to select up to the beginning of the current line, what you do is that Shift plus Home. There's a Home key. You use the Shift key and the Home key, so you select up to the beginning of the current line. Now I come to one line down. Suppose you are doing from here, so one line down will be selected. We selected one line down up to here. But if you have to use Shift plus down arrow key. One line up, Shift plus up arrow key. One line down, Shift plus down arrow key. One line up, Shift plus up arrow key. So, two types of selections. One line down and one line up. Now we come to another one, end of the current paragraph. So wherever is a cursor, if you want to just to go select up to the end of the current paragraph, you will find you use Control, Shift and down arrow. See. Now you come beginning of the current paragraph. So you use Control, Shift plus up arrow key. You come to the beginning of the current paragraph, from where the paragraph starts. End of the current document. You are doing the document, you want to select up to the end of the current document. But mind it, it will be selected from the cursor, from where the cursor is. So cursor is very important. The blinking line, that is known as the cursor. From there, the cursor will help from the particular cursor, it will be selected. Now, coming to end of the current document. Control, Shift and End. Current document, which you are typing out. Now we come to the beginning of the current document. So, Control plus Shift plus Home. Beginning of the current document. So which document you are doing? Where the cursor is, from there to the starting of the document. Beginning means starting. Last one, what do we have? The entire document, which I have already done for the first instance. So I need not say it. Just controlling. I have started with that first. Now I ended with that only. So now you, at the end of the session, you learn to select using a keyboard beginning of the current line, means from the cursor, obviously from the cursor, from where the cursor is to the beginning of the current line. One line down, where the cursor is up to that mark, it will go to the next line. One line up, from the cursor again, will be selected to the particular thing. Beginning of the current paragraph, where the cursor is, goes to the beginning of the paragraph. End of the current document from the cursor and beginning of the current document, and lastly selection of the whole or the entire document. Just control. This is all for today. Thank you. Hope you have understood. Thanks.